In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful fluffy flatbread that you can make with only 4 ingredients at home. And then stick around till the end because I'm going to show you how to take those flatbread to the next level with a beautiful little treat that you can put on top. So we're going to start by adding 400 grams of strong bread flour into a mixing bowl. Then add into the bowl 1 teaspoon of salt. Measure out 300 ml of lukewarm water or tepid water, and all that means is you want to get it to the temperature where if you dip your finger in, you almost can't feel a difference in temperature between your finger and the water. Take 7 grams of fast action yeast, cut off the top and add it into your water. Give it a good stir and then set it to one side to activate. It'll take about 10 minutes and it'll go lovely and foamy on top. Pour the yeast mixture into the mixing bowl. Now mix it until it comes together to form a dough. Now take out of the bowl and place your dough onto a floured worktop. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. A good technique for kneading is to take your dough, put one hand at the front and hold it down with the tips of your fingers at the back. Put the base of your hand, this part, at the bottom of the dough and roll out and then roll back in. And then rotate and do it again. Back. When you get good at it, you can speed it up. Now the dough will get a little bit sticky, but the more you knead it, the less sticky it gets. But if it's really causing problems and annoying you, stick to your hands and just add a little bit more flour. It's not really going to affect the recipe too much. So just add that in, it'll stop it from sticking and carry on with your kneading.
Knead it until it looks nice and smooth on the surface like this.
Place your dough back into the mixing bowl. Cover it with a clean damp cloth. Now place it in a nice warm place to rise for 1 hour. So it's now 1 hour later and the dough has doubled in size. We're going to take that out now and then we're going to divide it up into about 10 pieces to make 10 flatbread. Lightly flour the dough and then just roll it out into a sausage. And then divide that into roughly 10 pieces. Now dip each of the dough pieces into flour so they're completely coated. Take a frying pan and place it over a high heat. And then take your dough and roll it out as thin as you can. Once the pan starts to smoke like this, it's time to add in the flatbread. Now it'll take roughly around 1 minute on each side to cook. When it starts to bubble up like this, that means it's time to turn it over. Look at that, beautiful. Take it out of the pan and place it onto a plate. Stack them up. We have a lovely stack of flatbread, but as promised at the beginning of the video, I said I'm going to show you what you need to do to take them to the next level. So now we've made that beautiful flatbread, we're just going to step it up a notch by making a lovely parsley and garlic butter. We're going to start by taking 50 grams of diced butter and we're going to melt it in the microwave. Next take 2 cloves of garlic and peel them. I like to finely grate the garlic on a microplane, but you could also finely dice it or maybe put it through a garlic press. Add the garlic into the melted butter. Now roughly chop a small handful of parsley.
Add that into the garlic butter. Give it a pinch of salt
And a grind of black pepper.
and give everything a good mix. Take your flatbread and spoon over some of that beautiful garlic and parsley butter.
That's how to make a delicious flatbread at home, and also how to finish it off with a lovely, quick and easy garlic and parsley butter. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to learn the secrets to awesome rustic bread at home, then check out this video up here.